Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, all about Ash. Before we jump to today's video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. But today, hopefully you can tell by how I'm looking right now, we are getting my hair done. Also shooting some content while I'm here, so that's why I have my makeup done and everything. I kind of think I know how I want my hair. I haven't done my hair like this kind of in a while. It's nothing crazy, but it's just switching it up a little tiny bit. I do have a trip coming up next week, so I think that this will be the perfect time to get my hair done. I think that this style will be really cute for what we're doing. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of bring you guys along, kind of come to the hair salon with me. Let's get our hair done, a little bit of a girl's day, and then we might go to Ulta after. So first, let's get our hair done. We are getting a sew-in, which I actually like. I haven't got a sew-in in a really long time. You guys know I've been wearing U-parts a lot, which are really nice, and I like the convenience. But I think a sew-in will be really nice, especially since I have a trip coming up. So enough talking. I actually need to go into my appointment. I'll catch you guys in there. And the bloating is crazy, so I use one that's slow release, way too harsh. Is that just preference?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, I only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. In a smile, but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it. I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30. Chat. Should they fold that bitch, no yoga mat? Chat. Should they dare that nigga, don't hit me back? Chat. Should ran that nigga, no questions asked? Chat. They chatting, they chat. When the sun go down, everything made me feel lonely. Had lost that thing, but right now it's just a hole. Try to feel good, it's hard enough, no one to hold me. Hype me up, you give me hype. You my favorite coach, compress the line. Fucking stress off, that's my only vice. I take it off when you tell me if I'm feeling fine. I run it up, risk it all like I'm rolling dice. Taking it all, that's my second life. That's me, passed out on a nigga backseat. Cash out on the backseat beach. Oh, you know my body, oh, you know that's me. Bitch, you ain't like it, me. All I want to love is solid. Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, I only want your love if it's solid. But if you fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it. Yeah, that's the way I like it. In a smile, but none of these bitches. That's the way I like it. Wiping them down in front of these niggas.
definitely gives that.
Yes.
Bougie.
Oh, this is so cute. Okay, I like it. This is what I feel like my hair be missing. The curls, of course, and layers.
Yeah, the layers will make a huge difference.
Oh, it looks so good. It looks so good. And it feels really light too.
Good.
Girl, your hair doesn't look like this because your stylist isn't cutting layers. So come along with me to get the best sew-in in Austin. The girls are always wondering where to go to get their hair done, and the answer is My Tress Collective, formerly known as My Treasure Tresses. And personally, I love a stylist who actually includes a wash with your service. If one of your goals for the new year is to keep your hair done, then you need to tap into these prepaid plans. You'll be able to get 2 sew-ins for free with this plan. And with the annual plan, you're guaranteed to get a slot on the books each month, so you don't have to worry about any hey boo texts. Plus, I got a code for y'all that will knock $100 off the annual plan, so make sure to check out the caption for more details. Let's get back to these layers. I'm not gonna lie, at first I was a little nervous because she wasn't shy with the scissors and I was just watching hair drop to the floor. But with layers, you really just gotta trust the process because they're needed in order to get that certain look. Popped in a couple of curls and pinned them up, but when we start to take them down, that's when I started to really get excited. Like all of a sudden, I'm smiling from ear to ear. This is exactly how I wanted my hair to look. I'm just so glad she was able to execute it. But let me know what y'all think and don't say I didn't put y'all on.